Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to check IMEI number of this device. So we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and it is the fastest way, and the second is by using the settings. I'll show you both, but let's begin with opening the dialer. So we will enter the code. And the code for the IMEI number is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, you are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let's tap on OK. And as I said, we've got also the second way. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So you will still be able to check the IMEI numbers. So let's enter the settings, tap on About Phone. And right here we have to find it. So I believe it will be in detailed info and specs, maybe. Let's tap on the status. And as you can see right here in the device details, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI numbers using two different ways in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.